Tired of the financial rat race? Do you feel like you're constantly playing catch-up? You're not alone. Most people are. But what if you could unlock the secrets to financial success, to move beyond the masses and build a truly prosperous future? This isn't about luck, it's about strategies. Discover actionable steps to break free from the 98% and gain a clear path to financial independence. We'll reveal the specific techniques that work. Stop struggling. Start thriving. Your financial future depends on it. The financial landscape is complex, filled with traps for the unwary. Many struggle with debt, poor budgeting, and a lack of long-term planning. This leaves most people playing catch-up, constantly reacting to financial pressures rather than proactively shaping their future. We're drowning in information, bombarded by conflicting advice, but clarity is key. Understanding fundamental financial principles like budgeting, saving, and investing is essential. Without a solid foundation, progress feels elusive. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable financial future, one step at a time. It's about taking control. Unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and join the conversation. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's learn together and build a stronger financial future. Start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Achieving financial success isn't about luck. It's about strategy. A key goal is building a strong financial foundation. Start with a detailed budget. Track every expense, from rent to coffee. Identify areas for potential savings. Consider a simple example. Weekly takeout meals could be replaced with home-cooked meals, saving hundreds a month. Next, prioritize an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' living expenses. This safety net protects against unexpected job loss or car repairs. Common question: how much should I invest? Start small. Even $50 a month can grow over time. Look into low-cost index funds. Regular contributions are more effective than large lump sums. Lastly, build good debt habits. Pay off high-interest debt aggressively. Avoid accumulating more debt. These steps, consistently applied, create a strong foundation for long-term financial security. It's a journey, not a race. Imagine this: you're nearing retirement, and your savings are barely enough to cover basic expenses. Or perhaps you're facing unexpected medical bills, and your credit card debt is spiraling out of control. These are real scenarios, and they highlight a critical turning point. Many people find themselves in these situations because they lacked a proactive financial plan. The problem is clear. A lack of financial literacy often leads to a reactive rather than proactive approach to money management. This reactive approach can result in missed opportunities for wealth building and financial security. This isn't about doom and gloom. It's about recognizing the potential consequences of inaction. Understanding how to get ahead of the 98% is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about securing your future and achieving financial freedom. It's about taking control. It's about seizing opportunities. This is your wake-up call. Understanding personal finance is like building a house. You need a solid foundation. First, budgeting is crucial. Track every dollar. Categorize expenses: housing, food, transportation. Identify areas for potential savings. A simple example: eating out less and cooking at home can save hundreds monthly. Second, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This acts as a safety net against unexpected job loss or car repairs. Studies show that having an emergency fund reduces stress and improves financial security. Third, Prioritize debt repayment. Focus on high-interest debt first. Debt consolidation or balance transfers can help, but always aim to pay it off. These three foundational steps, budgeting, emergency fund, and debt management, form the bedrock of financial success. Understanding these is the first step to getting ahead of the curve. Applying these principles isn't always easy. A common challenge is sticking to a budget. To overcome this, use budgeting apps or create a visual representation of your spending. Visualizing your money helps you see where it's going. Another hurdle is dealing with unexpected expenses. To mitigate this, increase your emergency fund contributions each month, even if it's a small amount. Building a strong emergency fund allows you to handle unforeseen circumstances without derailing your financial plan. A practical example: if you anticipate a major repair, set aside a portion of your income each month to cover it. Finally, dealing with debt can feel overwhelming. Break down large debts into smaller, manageable payments. Create a repayment schedule and track your progress. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant progress over time. These strategies help you navigate the challenges and stay on track toward financial success. Beyond the basics, consider investing strategically. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Research and understand the risks involved in each. For example, a young professional might focus on low-cost index funds, while someone nearing retirement might prioritize more stable bonds. A key insight is that consistent, small investments compound over time. This is a crucial element in building long-term wealth. Consider a case study. Someone who started investing $50 a month at age 25, consistently over 40 years, could see substantial returns. This demonstrates the power of compounding. Also, consider actively seeking financial advice from qualified professionals. They can provide personalized strategies based on your individual circumstances. These advanced strategies, combined with a solid foundation, can significantly accelerate your journey towards financial success. Financial literacy is crucial. Studies show that individuals with higher financial literacy tend to have better financial outcomes, including lower debt levels and higher savings rates. For example, a recent survey by the National Endowment for Financial Education found that financially literate individuals are significantly more likely to achieve their financial goals. This underscores the real-world impact of understanding financial principles. Consider the case of a young professional who, armed with knowledge of budgeting and investing, avoids accumulating unnecessary debt and builds a substantial emergency fund. This proactive approach sets them up for a more secure future, potentially allowing them to pursue entrepreneurial ventures or invest in education. Understanding these strategies empowers you to make informed decisions, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and secure financial life. So, you're ready to take control. A common question is, where do I even start? Start small. Even 15 minutes a week dedicated to learning about personal finance can make a difference. Remember, financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Financial experts often say that consistency is key. Think about it. If you consistently save 10% of your income, you'll build wealth much faster than someone who saves sporadically. One last thing. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions. Ultimately, the path to financial freedom is about understanding your goals, creating a plan, and consistently working toward them. This isn't about overnight riches. It's about building a solid foundation for a secure and fulfilling future. Here's the bottom line. Financial freedom isn't a lottery. It's a journey. We've covered budgeting, building an emergency fund, managing debt, and investing. The key is consistency. Take action today. Create a budget. Start saving. Small steps lead to significant progress. You've gained the knowledge. Now, put it to use. What's the next step for you? Share your plans in the comments below. Let's support each other on this path to financial well-being. Subscribe and join the conversation. Ultimately, getting ahead isn't about outsmarting others. It's about mastering yourself. It's about taking control of your financial future. You've gained valuable insights today. Now, it's time to apply them. Remember, knowledge is power, and the power is in your hands. Don't just watch, do. Embrace the journey. Stay tuned for more insightful content on personal finance and wealth building. Let's continue this conversation. Share your success stories, and let's empower each other.